guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So today it is Easter Sunday and my mom woke me up at like 9:30 and we were supposed to watch church on our big TV over there. So many people joined the website that it crashed, so we ended up having to watch it on my dad's iPhone, and we connected the audio to like a big JBL speaker, so the picture wasn't big but we could hear it, which was like the main thing. But now we're eating some breakfast. I have a croissant. They all ate before, but I wasn't hungry. I'm so tired. I'll show you my Easter basket because it's really cute. I wanted to introduce this vlog. I'll be vlogging today. Unfortunately, it's not very pretty out. It's kind of cloudy and ugly. It is what it is. This dog is begging for my food. Yes. So I just took a little body shower to get clean and kind of like ready for the day. I just showered off. I just washed my hair like yesterday, so I didn't wash it, but my hair's been doing really good with the training your hair thing. If you guys didn't know, I used to wash my hair every single day, and I've been starting to wash it every 2 days to train my hair to not get as greasy, and it's been working, so I'm happy about that. It's just weird to me to not wash my hair every day because I've been doing that literally for 16 years. I also brought up a ton of scrunchies with me because I've been just pulling my hair back, so I'll find whichever one matches my outfit best. You know, that looks cute for today, and then I'll just tie my hair in a scrunchie. I set my camera up here this morning and it fell, so let's hope it doesn't fall again. This is my first time vlogging without a mic on this camera, and I just think it's easier to like daily vlog without a mic. If you don't know how cameras work, basically there's an internal mic of the camera that picks up some audio, but it's not great. So I typically use an external mic, which is the big fluffy thing that goes on top of your camera and it picks up audio better, but it just kind of gets in the way when I'm vlogging. I used it for so long, but I wanted to start trying it without the mic and see how big of like the difference the quality is, and especially because the mic that I have only points one way. So for instance, if I was vlogging like this, my mic typically points this way, so it's perfect. But if I vlog like this, then the mic is pointing this way, but my audio is coming this way, so it doesn't pick it up as well. So that's why I think I'm just gonna try and vlog with no mic and see how it is. Let me know if you guys see a difference. You probably won't because you're not used to it. It's not something that your brain would like pick up, oh, she's not using a mic, but it's something I would pick up because I do it so often. Today I'm wearing one of my new Shelly Cove shirts. I'm so excited. They sent me their new spring collection, but it's back in my Atlanta house, so when I go there next week, so today's Sunday, I think I'm supposed to go there next week with my dad. If you guys are confused about that, my dad has to work from my Atlanta house a few times a week, and also we just have like chores and stuff that we have to get done there. We dropped my mom's car off at the dealership. We didn't pick it up last time, so we have to pick it up this time, so it's just kind of like that. And normally I get to see Cole like one time a week if we go, so that's why I've been going. Hopefully I get to go this week. I'm not entirely sure. It's Easter. Happy Easter. I don't think I said that. By the time you're watching this, it's probably not Easter anymore. Like I said, I just showered. My skin is feeling very dry. We went out on our mountain cabin neighbor's boat, which is like our family friends, yesterday, so my skin got like a little red, which I really like it when I just have like a little sunburn. I think it brings more color to my face, but my face is really dry, so I'm gonna put on some skincare. I recently added this product to my skincare and I've been really liking it. This is a Sephora serum. It just kind of feels more moisturizing and it like unclogs your pores, so I've just been dropping a few drops of this, and a little goes a really long way. Like I just used half a little like squeegee of it and I just rub it into my face, and then of course I use this moisturizer on top. We're just watching Flea Market Flip on the TV. If you don't know what Flea Market Flip is, it's such a good like HGTV show. One of the only HGTV shows that I can actually stand because it's kind of interesting, and I'm so glad. I had like this big brand outline that I had to get done, and it was supposed to be due tomorrow. It is due tomorrow, but I finished it last night and I'm just like so proud of myself. So I really didn't want to finish it last night because it was so much work, but I did it and I turned it in 2 days early. I was really proud of myself, so now I really don't have to worry about that much today. If you aren't keeping up with my vlogs and didn't check out my last main channel video, this whole week was my spring break week, so my online school picks back up again tomorrow, and this online school week is supposed to be really hard because I have lots of tests and quizzes starting this week. I've only taken one quiz so far during online school and I'm just like nervous. I'm now applying lip balm. My lips got so chapped on the boat yesterday. This is my Bite Agave lip moisturizer. What is this? What do they call it? Nighttime lip therapy. I just use it as a chapstick. It's so good. So there's a little updated skincare routine. A lot of people have been asking me to do that. Now I'm gonna put on my deodorant. People always ask me what deodorant I use. I used to use my Dove one, and I started using Old Spice like 2 months ago. But the thing about Old Spice is it smells so good, and it smells good throughout the whole day. If you use white deodorant, the powder can get on you if you like touch your clothes. This one doesn't. It smells so good all day, but I feel like I still get a little smell jelly. I'm gonna keep trying this one out for a few more months until it runs out, and then we'll decide if I want to go back to my Dove one. And of course, lots of people ask me about this perfume. It's the Pink Fresh and Clean perfume. I've been using this every single day since 6th grade. I'm actually kind of running out, which is sad. I'm gonna need to buy a new one. This is my scent. Like, if you smell me, this is what I smell like. Wow, I rambled for a good 8 minutes, but oh, I know what I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna do like a little Easter basket haul. My dad's like the creative one out of my parents, and every year he makes super cute Easter baskets. So I wanted to show you guys what I got in mine. Let me just say, it's always just candy and sweets in here. This is my cute little Easter basket. We got some Whoppers, which I love Whoppers. They're one of my favorite candies. Everyone hates them for no reason. We got some Pink Peeps, which are also so good. If you don't like Peeps, something's wrong with you. Some Russell Stoven. When I read this, I really thought it was Russell Steven. For my whole life, I thought it was Russell Steven, and then today I realized it's Russell Stoven. We got some cute little Kit Kats, Reese's. I love Reese's. Do they have the white ones? White chocolate Reese's eggs are so good. Oh, a cute little Pez. Oh, look at that little bunny. There's stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's like bumpy. What is this? Starburst jelly beans are my favorite candy, and they're seasonal, so like you don't get them all the time. Okay, we got some chocolate stuff in here. Some jelly beans, please. Please be jelly beans. There's some jelly beans in here. Okay, I'll eat one of these. So good. Let me take a little thumbnail really quick. Why am I so white? Right now, I think I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos, catch up on some emails, that kind of stuff. I normally like to get that done in the morning, but today we had church. Also, this is the first year we did not do an Easter egg hunt, which I'm actually kind of glad about. Easter egg hunts has always been like a tradition in my family. My brothers and I have just gotten older, so it's just kind of grown out. I'm 16, my other brother's 14, and my other one is 11, or turning 11, I forget. So it's kind of like we grew out of it, but it's also a little sad. I don't know, it's just like a tradition that we've always had, and we didn't do this year, but I didn't know 2019 was gonna be my last ever Easter egg hunt. What should I watch on Netflix?
Dude, stop recording me.
Okay, what should I watch on? My brothers hate being on video until they want to be on video. Funny how turn into my fans. What should I watch on Netflix?
Honestly, what you should watch on Netflix, you should watch Go-Karts. You probably haven't watched that.
It's 4:30 and it is so gloomy out today. Like, the day is just bad and sad, like outside. I don't know if you guys can see outside. You definitely can't, but it is so cloudy. You can't even see the mountains. Like, all you see is clouds and fog. I wrestled my brother. If you guys don't have siblings, especially boy siblings, younger boy siblings, they wrestle all the time and they always ask me to wrestle. So Cam and I just wrestled and I beat him so good. I don't hurt him or anything. It's just like play. Now I'm gonna watch some Netflix. I was on the phone with Cole and we've been playing Game Pigeon games all day, all today and all yesterday. That's like my new favorite thing to do, is play Game Pigeon. I wish there was a way I could play Game Pigeon with y'all without giving you my number, because like that's creepy, but I don't know, I feel like that'd be so fun. I've been obsessed with Game Pigeon. Darts is so fun. Sea Battle, we love her. The little archery game, they're all really fun. So that's what I've been doing. Now I want to watch something new on Netflix. You guys know I love Criminal Minds, but I am on season 8, halfway done with season 8 now, and I love it. I've always loved it. I will always love it. I will continue to watch it, but I want to watch something new, and I've already seen pretty much everything on Netflix. If you have any requests that aren't basic, please let me know, and I'm not saying that to be mean. Like, I'm genuinely wanting to know. Probably most of the stuff you would recommend to me I've already seen. I'm gonna try and watch Orange is the New Black. We'll see if I like it. I might watch NCIS. This vlog is really chill. I'm very sorry. It's Easter. We're taking it calm. We gotta pick up school tomorrow, so we gotta relax, you know? We finished eating dinner. My mom made pulled pork and salad, and I was really hungry because I hadn't eaten anything all day besides that little breakfast I had this morning. Like, I didn't have any Easter candy, I didn't have any snacks, any lunch, anything. So I was really hungry, but my tooth is really hurting me. I like go in these little phases where sometimes my tooth hurts really bad and sometimes it's totally fine. And I don't know if it's my wisdom teeth coming in, if it's a molar. I've never had a cavity, knock on wood. I don't know what it is. It's hurting really bad, so I just popped some pillies. But I'm watching Orange is the New Black. I'm on episode 3 and it's really good. It's funny. I like it. I don't know if we're gonna do anything else today. It's already 7 o'clock. I may continue this vlog into tomorrow, just depending on how long it is, but my tooth hurts so bad. I'm just gonna watch some TV and chill because I'm extremely tired. Hey! So I decided not to vlog today because I'm gonna post this vlog today because it's primarily an Easter vlog and I want to get it up the day after Easter. Thank you guys for watching. I'm trying to post more vlogs. It's just I feel like my life is so boring and you guys have seen me do the same thing every single vlog. But I'm gonna try and make it more interesting. everything. So I hope you had a wonderful Easter. I love you guys. Subscribe to my main channel, Caiti's Corner. We're really close to 500K. We're like less than 10K away, so go subscribe, help a sister out, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace in the Middle East.